Oxlade-Chamberlain, Bereen, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Coquelin, super movement again. Bereen, Olneny. Oxlade-Chamberlain dashing away from Watmore and aiming it in for Sanchez, and Arsenal are ahead. Alexis Sanchez darts ahead of his man. The breakthrough almost inevitable.
Well, two mistakes here. First, watch Watmore commit himself, and he just made it easy for Oxlade-Chamberlain to go around him. And Kone is stationary. You know, he's got to have a little look over the shoulder and realise where Sanchez is in the run he's going to make, and he doesn't do that. And Sanchez, you have to give him all sorts of credit, because it's brilliant movement on his part just to get there, and that desire again. And what a header.
That is a sensationally good header in a duel which, strictly speaking, in terms of feet and inches, breadth and strength, Alexis Sanchez was entitled not to win. Broadest of broad, Arsene Wenger smiles as his main man scores a 7th goal.